Hey everybody, Brian here. Just talking about things like writing code like a mathematical proof. Now, if you're like me and wanting to get into quant, you better get to a level of being able to write your own mathematical proofs. I'll get to that in a minute. But basically, what this article is suggesting how to do that and the importance of it. So as it says here, you get a theorem, you get a proof, which you gotta mathematically assume, and then from there, when you start writing out your algo for the proof, there's some very good tips on how to do this. This is probably no different than if you're writing a research paper. So this article here at Hacker Noon might be useful, but the importance of mathematical proof is something that you'll go through if you do get into the world of quant and looking for jobs.
Hi, I'm Selcon, founder.
So we have here Selcon at Khan Academy. This is where I like to learn my math, if you're like me, who has not looked at math in many years. So what you can do here is you can go through all on the playlist at Khan Academy, KHAN, Selcon, who's done all these tutorials online, goes through the different methodologies to learn about math and different types of math. So we have here algebra, world examples, probability, calculus, algebra, and if you really need to get into the pre-algebra, we also have here development math. That's new, development math, but I'm sure that these probably would be useful. He also has finance as well, some computer science, which is done in Python, differential equations, currency, money, statistics is a big one, pre-calculus, trigonometry, which I don't know if that's really all that useful, basic arithmetic, linear algebra is a big one, as well as what else we got here. There's just so much stuff. So the cool thing about this way is the way he does it. It's just like on a digital chalkboard, and he walks you through the formulas and the rationale behind them. But he also will, in some examples, go through these mathematical proofs. And I think that's an important skill to have when it comes to looking at other research papers and being able to transition from one theorem to another and being able to prove it. And if you can do that in the world of quant, or really more in the math level, you'll do very well in the world of quant. And as I said, you have to be very good at it. Just one other tip, we've talked about hiring over at Renaissance Technologies. Physics is another big important one, so this may be a good video here to go through, but you see here it's 160 videos, so these are quite a bit of investment of time to get through it. But I just thought I'd put this together for you and just give you a really good free resource out there. Again, Khan Academy, if you want to learn how to build these kind of proofs that will help you in doing more quant research jobs. Hope this will help you out later.